Dental implant therapy can be very complicated. It can be simple, costs are less, or it can be very complicated. In the case of full arch fixed restorations, it's very complicated. Part of it is diagnosis and seeing potential problems. Sometimes bone is not there, needs to be grown. Sometimes it's in places we need to remove some bone. The bite might be awful, so we need to make adjustments to correct for that, because it's all about the outcome and where we want the teeth, and then we have to reverse engineer that. With my experience and being a prosthodontist, I'm able to kind of see the end while I'm just looking at the very beginning. I can see kind of where we're going to end up. But just in case we're not quite sure and we have to maybe try it out with our digital smile design, we can virtually get a mock-up and see where we're going just to make sure. Implant cost, or the cost of therapy, really depends upon the type of treatment that a patient chooses. So rather than have one option for patients, we offer several options, and each of them address different concerns by the patient. Some are more interested in aesthetics, or someone's more interested in function. Everybody's an individual, so we treat everybody as an individual. What's important to you may not be important to somebody else, but we have different options to satisfy what makes sense for you. Patients will come in and say that they've been somewhere else and they felt like there was a cheaper option, and they want to know why. And I think that in situations where doctors are kind of just beginning, they need to learn. So they're discounting their services considerably for the return favor that you let them treat your mouth, so that they can learn and eventually get the experience that we already have. I mean, the question always comes in to whether people want to invest the money into dental implants or not. But dental implants, quite frankly, are the closest thing to natural teeth that we have. And if you want the natural teeth feel, then it's worth it. If you're tired of dealing with pain and problems with your teeth, come see us at Imagine Your Smile and we'll get you fixed up.